In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to transfer money from TD Bank to Bank of America easily. Whether you're new to online banking or just need a quick refresher, I'll guide you through the process step by step, so you'll be able to handle transfers smoothly. First, let's start by logging into your TD Bank account. You can do this either via the TD Bank mobile app or by visiting their website at td.com. Once you're on the login page, enter your username and password. If you haven't enrolled in online banking yet, make sure to register beforehand, as this process requires online access. After logging in, navigate to the section labeled Transfers, or sometimes Send Money, on your home screen. It's typically easy to spot, often highlighted for your convenience. From here, you want to select the option to transfer to an external account, which sets us up to move the funds from TD Bank to Bank of America. Next, we need to add your Bank of America account as an external account within TD Bank system, so tap Add New Account. You'll be prompted to input your Bank of America routing number and account number. These can usually be found on your Bank of America checks or within their online portal. Don't forget to specify the type of account you're working with, whether it's checking or savings. This ensures the funds go exactly where you want them. Now onto verification. To confirm that you have control over the Bank of America account, TD Bank will send 2 small deposits to your Bank of America account. This is a standard security measure, but it does mean a bit of a wait. Check your Bank of America account to find those deposits. Once they've appeared, head back to TD Bank and verify the amounts. It's a simple step, but crucial for security purposes. With verification done, we can now initiate the actual transfer. Go to the transfer section again and select Between My Accounts or External Accounts. Choose your TD Bank account as the From account and your Bank of America account as the To account. Enter the amount you want to transfer and do a quick review of all the details. Double check these details to avoid any errors or mishaps. Finally, you're ready to confirm and send. Tap Confirm to initiate the transfer. Keep in mind, these transactions usually take between 1 to 3 business days to complete, depending on various factors such as the bank's processing times. Once the transaction is processed, you'll receive a confirmation message and everything will be set. And there you have it. By following these steps, you should be able to transfer money from TD Bank to Bank of America with ease. If you encounter any issues, both banks have customer support that can help guide you through. Thanks for watching today's tutorial, and I hope it helped make your banking a bit simpler.